Jai Srimanarayana. 10th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vitaraga bhayakrodhaha manmayaha mam upasritaha bahavo jnanatapasa puta madbhavam agataha. Om. Take one story of any manifestations of Sriman Narayana and keep on contemplating and meditating upon that. With that, you will slowly start absorbing in only Sriman Narayana. You will slowly start taking refuge in only Sriman Narayana. You will start loving only Sriman Narayana. From then onwards, all the obstacles will go away from you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall start meditating upon one of your activities from one of your manifestations from today onwards. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamruta sanyutam pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya Naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Urvasi left Pururava. Then Pururava, while going through so much of grief, he started wandering here and there everywhere on this earth. In that process, one of those days, Satam Vikshya Kurukshetra Sarasvatyancha Tatsakhihi, he has seen Urvasi on the banks of the river Saraswati. Then he started requesting, Oh my dear Patni, please stay with me, do not leave me. If you leave me, I will die here itself. When Pururava said like that, Urvasi saying, Oh Raja, you are a man, and that too you are king. You should not be saying like that. You should not be killing yourself like that. You have to be strong, and you have to bring all your sensory organs under your control. And also, kvapi sakyam navai strinam rukanam hridayam yadha. There is no use by doing friendship with women, as you have to be always alert with women. Striyo hi akarunaha. They won't have any kind of compassion. Kruraha durmarshaha priyasahasaha. They always will have cruel nature. Even for a small mistake, they do so much, and they cannot endure small mistakes also. For their happiness, they can do anything. They do not even hesitate to leave husband, brother, anyone. And they pretend that they are good friends. They are not friends. Like that Urvashi saying to Pururava. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 10th sloka. Vitaragabhayakrodhaha manmaya mamupashritaha bahavo jnanatapasa puta madbhavamagataha. Vitaragabhayakrodhaha manmaya mamupashritaha bahavo jnanatapasa puta madbhavamagataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.